The stock market, basics, tips, advice, and secrets. Today's economy is failing. You can no longer rely on being able to get a job to be able to pay your bills. Most people today are lucky to make minimum wage, and anyone who makes more tends to have so much debt that they can't survive. Included here are some tips on investing, which can help you to sustain your lifestyle. If you want part of your portfolio to stay ahead of inflation, general stocks are your prime opportunity. Over the last 6 decades, annual stock returns have averaged 10%. That has been well ahead of bond yields and real estate earnings. A balanced stock portfolio across the market is historically the best proposition for growing wealth, whereas handpicking stocks or sectors might not generate this result. Be mindful of a stock's history, but do not count on it as a future guarantee. No matter how good a track record a stock might have in the record books, the future is unwritten. Stock prices are determined by estimations of company earnings in the future. Strong historical performance is a good indication, but even the greatest of businesses can slide. If you are knowledgeable enough to do your own research, you may want to look into getting an online broker. The commissions and trade fees of online brokers are cheaper because you are doing all the work. If you aim to make a profit, you want to consider the cheapest way to operate your buying and selling technique. Even if you can only save a small part of your current income for investing, you can reinvest what you earn from it, until you have a large portfolio making you a reasonable second income stream. This will allow you to have a bit of peace of mind in the fact that you'll be able to support your family until the economy gets better. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega whining trader, Barthélemy MC.